Take a ride in the 2016 i8. The BMW i8 provides the perfect combination of a hybrid sports car. The i8 maintains the power and styling you'd expect from a sports coupe and couples that with the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.